Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to edit a contact in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to edit info about a contact, so let's see how you can do that. You just have simply open your phone app. Now once you are in phone app, go to contact and just select the contact you want to edit. So let's say I'm going to select this one from here. Click on this eye icon or the input button. Here you might see the edit option here. Just click on edit, and in this section you can change the profile picture, profile color. You can also change its name, or you can also add a phone number of this person. You can add an email address and more information here. So if you want to add a picture, just click on picture here. This is the picture you want to set, and once you have done this, click done and it will be added. So in this way you can easily added a contact in Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.